Today was Senior Seminar. This is a day in the middle of our match week where the Alumni Association sponsored an afternoon of lectures about how to handle finances, how to deal with the legal system involved with medicine, and how to be a good intern and team player. Lunch was provided by the Alumni Association too, and we had snacks from the auxiliary. In addition, the Alumni Association gave us each a book called The White Coat Investor. This will help us as we deal with money in the future. And they also gave us a mug that has the alumni logo on the front, and it has the name of everyone in our class on it. This day was really beneficial for all of us, and we think it will help us in our careers. We would like to thank the Alumni Association for making this afternoon possible, and we think it will really benefit our careers in the future.